Coming to a third point, which is again a procedural aspect, there is a change happening to shorten the period. There was been a discussion happening that there should be a certainty in the tax. The businessman should know that what is my tax liability, how will I be affected, and how far my tax returns can be scrutinized. So this period was quite long. Over a period, it was happening that I am filing a tax return today, and even after scrutiny is happening, almost after 1 year or 1 year notice is issued, 1 year scrutiny happens, so 2 years, 3 years, then there were reopening provisions. So there was no certainty in the tax as far as up to 4 to 5 years, 6 years basically. Now I believe the government wants to shorten this period. So if you see all the amendments which has happened in the procedure, it is towards that. The first amendment which I can see is in the filing of the return. Everybody knows the return of income has to be filed under 139(1) before 31st July for individual, in case of audits before 31st October, and in certain cases where transfer pricing is involved, 30th November. And there is a provision of filing a belated return, which was, I remember, was almost, we used to get a time of 2 years, which is 1 year after the end of the assessment year. That was reduced to before the assessment year, that is before the end of the assessment year. Now it is further reduced by another 3 months. So if I am to say another 3 months, that means individual has to file a return under 139(1) regular return before 31st July. If he is not filing, he is getting an extended period, which we call a belated return, up to December from this amendment, after this amendment. Similarly, a revised return can also be filed now only before December of that particular assessment year. So my 1920 financial year return, which will be now due, which has been already gone and it's now due, ultimately we could have revised up till 31st March of 21. Now from the next year onwards, your revision or belated return has to be before December. So the time period has been reduced by 3 months.